Hey everybody, I'm here to talk to you about how to get caught up in your writing a personal narrative unit in language arts. So we have returned to school today, Tuesday. Some of you are still virtual though, and that's okay. We still need to focus on getting caught up in this writing a personal narrative unit. So in your year view, go ahead and click on writing a personal narrative. Okay, now you're going to see the list of checkpoints that you have. And some of us are missing some, like this person is missing the dreaded stroke. You need to focus on that for homework. While we are in class time, it is incredibly important that we focus on these writing process steps. These things are really going to help us with our final project. So honestly, the most important thing for us to work on while we were in class with me is the writing process steps. So we'll go ahead and start here on writing process step number 1. I'll click on that. And when you click here in the box, it will take you to your writing process step 1. So when you open up your writing process step 1, it's this memory inventory. So really what you're doing here is you're listing things that have happened in your own life, and you are going to just jot them down, things that you could potentially write a personal narrative about. So for example, if I want to talk about times when I was proud, I might say something like, when I won for so I won an award for being the fastest swimmer on the Triple E team when I was a kid. So I could potentially write about this. Now, in this side, it says that we're going to write the effect. This really comes down to what I learned. So from this event right here that's highlighted, tell everybody what you learned. So I could say something here like, practice pays off. Or maybe if you work hard, you get rewards for that hard work. So in this column, just tell me about the event. And it doesn't have to be this crazy long thing. It can be one sentence. Even just a few words to jot down is okay to remind you of the event. And then on this side, say what you learned from that event happening in your life. And then you'll do the same thing for each one of these different sections. Times when I was scared or nervous, you could say something like the time when I broke my arm. And the thing that I learned from that in this column would be maybe be careful and maybe be more aware of your surroundings. So that's how you're going to fill out this sheet. Just kind of jot down things that have happened to you that you can write a personal narrative about. We will pick an event from this memory inventory for the next writing step. So please make sure you have this filled out and ready to go.